All right, class, let's jump into week 8. You'll notice that week 8 is a little bit smaller. There's only one subject this week. It's kind of our mid-semester. I know we're just past the middle of the semester, and many of you have just wrapped up midterms and are catching up in other courses, and it's kind of a busy time in the semester. So hopefully this gives you some time to continue to polish your website and update things there, and if you need to get caught up in other classes as well. So this is a nice mid-semester slow week as we get prepped for the rest. The last few weeks will push us a bit as we get things finished up and launched. So our only topic this week is ads and ad groups. And here you will begin writing your first ad for Google AdWords. There's some advice here on writing successful text ads. And then just a simple submission is you'll open a Word document and explain a concept from the reading, copy and paste an ad that you wrote. Please make sure you write your ad in the correct format. So Google will talk a lot about the exact format that it's looking for. You'll have the URL, headline, brief description, etc., etc. But make sure you're following the format described in these instructions. And again, as I mentioned last week, the basic premise of these ads is to create a promise that you can deliver on. And so think about that. Integrity in your advertising will be key. As you develop these ads, you want to make them appealing. You want to make sure that they're clickable. Just make sure that when you do that, you'll be able to deliver that. And we'll talk about this more still when we discuss landing pages, which is the page that the customer will arrive on after they click your ad. That's really sealing the deal on your advertisement. But think about that as you go through. You'll have a different focus as BYU Idaho students, as members of the church. Your business will reflect who you are. Your business will reflect, it's an extension of you, and should project in some way, while not overtly discussing beliefs. It can certainly project the type of person you are and the integrity that you act with. So there's a discussion board that's due February 27th, your initial post, and then your replies will be due March 1st. And then you'll have a reflection. And that's it for week 8.